In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review GetResponse features. We're diving into an overview of GetResponse's most significant functionalities, perfect for businesses aiming to enhance their digital marketing efforts. From email marketing to conversion funnels, these features are designed to elevate your marketing campaigns and boost your business's growth. Let's start by exploring the core feature of GetResponse, email marketing. This tool gives you the immense power to create newsletters effortlessly using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Imagine crafting visually appealing emails without needing any design expertise, thanks to a wide array of professionally designed templates at your disposal. What sets this apart is the ability to personalize each email using subscriber data, making your communication more relevant and impactful. You can choose to schedule campaigns according to your strategic plan or send them out instantly, just when your audience is most receptive. Additionally, tracking becomes a breeze as you gain insights into opens, clicks, and other vital performance metrics. This feature is ideal for businesses keen on dispatching promotional emails, newsletters, or critical announcements with remarkable ease and effectiveness. Moving on to marketing automation, a feature designed to transform your subscriber interactions. You can create automated workflows triggered by subscriber actions, such as welcoming new subscribers, setting up follow-up campaigns, nurturing leads, or sending reminders about abandoned carts, all available on supported plans. This automation is perfect for saving valuable time while ensuring your customers receive a personalized journey tailored to their behavior and needs. Next, we delve into the landing page builder, an essential tool if you're aiming to design stunning landing pages without needing to code. With drag-and-drop editing, adaptable templates, and the ability to add sign-up forms, you can construct pages that not only capture attention but also conversions. Plus, you can perform A/B testing on supported plans to determine which versions perform better. And should you wish, custom domain support is there to align these pages perfectly with your brand. This feature is incredibly beneficial for lead generation, product launches, and garnering registrations for events. Sign-up forms and pop-ups are another integral aspect of GetResponse's features, allowing you to expand your email list significantly. Whether you prefer embedded forms, pop-ups, sticky bars, or exit intent forms, you can easily tailor custom display rules to collect leads directly from your website. This becomes particularly powerful in reaching potential customers who visit your site and encouraging them to join your community or customer base. Finally, we'll cover conversion funnels, a dynamic feature that empowers you to build comprehensive marketing funnels, encompassing landing pages, sign-up forms, email automation, sales pages, and, where supported, checkout pages. This suite of tools is perfect for guiding your visitors along a seamless journey from interest to becoming loyal subscribers and delighted customers. By mastering these GetResponse features, you'll be equipped to optimize your marketing strategies effectively, enhance customer engagement, and drive substantial business growth. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this rundown helps you leverage GetResponse to its fullest potential.